Hey everybody, Tim Zhou here, your real estate agent for Bellevue, Eastside, and the greater Seattle area. It's October 2025, so let's catch up on the latest in the local housing market, where I see things are heading this month, and how you could be prepared. Here's a quick recap of what happened in September 2025 according to the Northwest Multiple Listing Service. Median close price came in at $630,000, and that's a drop from August $650,000 and a 0.7% decrease from 12 months ago. Median sales price for new construction came in at $739,000, virtually no change from last month and a 1.3% increase from last September. As for new listings, we're at about 9,000 new listings, and that's a slight increase from August 8,700 and an 8.1% increase from 12 months ago. As for total available inventory, we're looking at about 20,000, same as August total listings, and a 27.3% increase year over year. For pending listings, we have about 7,300 residential and condo listings that went pending, and that's a slight drop from August 7,600 and a 2.4% increase from a year ago. Now, for month of inventory, which is how long it takes to sell every home that is active in the MLS inventory, we're looking at 3.25 months, and that's a slight increase from August 3.19 months and a 20.3% increase over 12 months ago. A neutral market should have 4 to 6 months of inventory. So that's the market update. What do all these numbers mean? Where is the market heading to? Before we start, full disclaimer, these are just my personal opinions and not financial advice. So with that out of the way, let's get into what's going on with the market. Across Washington and the Puget Sound region, housing inventory continues to climb while prices show signs of easing. According to the latest MLS report, there were about 20,000 active listings in September, up roughly 27% from a year ago. The median sold price dipped slightly to $630,000, down 0.7% year over year, and about 3% lower than in August. Months of inventory now sits at 3.25 months, marking a shift toward a more balanced market compared to the tight conditions of recent years. Sales activity has moderated slightly. Closed sales rose 6% from last year, but slipped 2.7% from August, and showings also declined modestly month over month. Buyers have more choices now, and sellers are finding that they need to price more strategically and focus on presentations to stand out. Meanwhile, mortgage rates have come down a bit from their summer highs, but remains elevated enough to keep affordability a challenge for many buyers. In the Puget Sound area, including Ferry, Thorson, and Island counties, inventory growth has been especially noticeable, giving buyers more leverage and opportunities to negotiate. Homes in desirable neighborhoods or in move-in ready conditions are still attracting strong interest, while others may take longer to sell. The shift in dynamics has cooled the frenzied pace of prior years, moving the market towards a healthier, more sustainable balance between buyers and sellers. Looking ahead to the next 3 months, the market is expecting to follow a seasonal slowdown through the end of the year. Inventory may rise slightly before tapering off during the holidays, while prices are likely to remain mostly flat or dip modestly. Transaction volume will likely soften as buyers and sellers pause for the winter, but the stage is being set for a potential rebound in early 2026, especially if mortgage rates ease further and pent-up demand re-emerges after the holidays. And if you're thinking about making a move, whether buying or selling, let's connect. I'd love to put my experience in the Seattle area market to work for you and guide you through the opportunities that we are seeing currently in the market right now. That's all for now. If you enjoyed this update, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and share. Good luck out there, and I'll see you next time.